If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to check out some more cute ways that you can style bobs, pixies, and short hairstyles. First up, we have someone with green hair doing a mini bob haircut. So cute. Love the bangs and the front. The color combination is just unreal. And then we once again have the styling of a bob. So she's using that curling iron that does do the curling itself. And just creating like a really pretty tousled bob. Nice, simple, and chic. And then we see a 360 view of this gorgeous asymmetrical pixie style. This one features hair longer on one side versus the other. It's also short in the back. And then we have this really volumized pixie. Her hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love how thick and full it is. It just looks amazing within this cut. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now I really like the color combination within this pixie. And it looks like she's trying to do a little bit of a front curl here. And she also has an undercut, very cute. And then we once again see the styling of a pixie, so she's simply adding a headband to this. Now this is like a cute carefree style, and I think it would look really pretty with like a floral headband. Just another simple chic way that you can rock your pixie out. And then we have someone with this beautiful ginger copper colored hair. So she's creating like a soft curl with her hairbrush. Really adding some volume there in the crown. Doing the scrunching method to further tighten up the curls. Look at that. That's how it looks after it has dried for a few hours. Just absolutely gorgeous. Really pretty curly bob style. And then we have someone rocking a braid out. She's like a really cute, I'd say mushroom cropped cut. And then we have another curly style here, and she's rocking more of like the red copper coloring. So pretty. Her curls are absolutely gorgeous. So then we have a hair transformation. I believe she's going to be getting a bob. And as you guys know, bobs with bangs are a very popular hairstyle that we're seeing trending right now. And then we're going to see the next styling of a bob haircut with this ribbon. This is an absolutely gorgeous way to rock out a bob, especially in like the spring, summer season. So pretty. And then we're going to see the styling of the same bob worn sleek and straight. Wow, absolutely stunning. I love her makeup too. And then we see a hair transformation. Looks like she's going with like a mid-length cut. Beautiful curtain bangs in the front. Very nice. And then we see a bob haircut transformation. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. So simple, chic, and effortless. Very nice. Oh, I like the texture that he added with the bangs. So we have another bob haircut here. Another flawless, effortless bob style. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed all the hairstyles that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.